Here at a Love's in Alma, Arkansas. Cloudy day, and as you can see, this is a nice country area. Look at all that grass, trees, fields. Clouds off in the distance, but where I'm at, no clouds. Yeah, I like these areas. I like it when it's country like this. You see plenty of trees. You see there, that truck has chickens. It's a nice, beautiful day. Truck is delivering gas or diesel or both, I don't know. And the fuel island. And as you can see in the distance, the color changing because the sun's about to come up. You see it? It's cloudy, but it's starting to come up. That's it. Just wanted to show you. I will check you guys later.